going to show you how to make a paper airplane called the AeroShark. It even has a fin, like a shark. If you want to make it, let's go. The first step to do it, you have to fold it in half. I try and make my points precise. Then you unfold it and fold these two corners in, right at that line. Then fold it down again. And again. Then fold it from this intersection, fold it from there down, and back up about that much. Fold this down on the line, and then fold these pieces up on the line. Same with this side. Now, all you gotta do is fold it back in half. Make the wings. Hold on to this line. And then, last step, fold these pieces up to this line, but not at this. So, it kind of slopes down right over here. Like that. Same with this side. There we go. The AeroShark. Go.